past few months just flew by, but I feel it's the perfect time to sit down, check our goals and implement new habits, since it's really not too late to try new things. So today we are going to do a mid-year reset, including everything from cleaning, goal setting and all of those stuff. Things first, I'm going to start off and clean my vanity room, since that is literally such a mess. And I feel like when I'm setting my goals and checking out my previous goals, I really want my room to be cleaned before I actually start doing all of that. Don't come at me, but this is literally what my messy vanity room looks like. It is a complete mess and it is terrible, but I'm going to fix this. I'm somehow bored with this decor. I do not really have anything at the moment, so I'm just going to go ahead and paint this white. I'm not quite sure how it's going to turn out, but let's hope for the best. I think I'm going to keep some vases here and basically just figure out what I have to keep on top. I did take quite some time and it is time for my workout. I do feel like it is super important to actually find a form of activity that actually works for you and just make it a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. I did enroll myself for Zumba classes and today is going to be my third session. I'm super excited. I did want to enroll myself for more workout sessions, but honestly, I feel like it's better to stick to one workout a month than actually just stopping everything that you're doing. So for now, I'm going to get ready for my Zumba classes. My first Zumba class was incredible. I absolutely loved it. It just made me feel like a kid again. It just made me feel so active. I never even felt this type of energy and glow on my skin after any gym sessions. Like, it's insane. I'm thoroughly enjoying myself and it is time to get ready and get going. The other thing that I have been doing is to plan my meals. I feel like this step is super important in my monthly reset routine. I include all kinds of food so as to make healthy eating a priority as well as enjoyable. I have been using this meal planner and this has been super helpful. This helps me stay on track and also know what to eat. I also like to include different dinner recipes and just take up a challenge to actually cook something different. It also satisfies my savory glands and it just keeps me away from all the unhealthy eating habits. First things first, I like to do my research and check out new recipes. And then I would write down all of my meals that I want to cook this month. It is a weekly spread that makes it more easy to follow. Once I have my meals in place, I then move on to my grocery list. It's been a while and I like to dedicate this time for goal setting. I like to take this time to review my progress over time and also set new intentions for the coming months. Reviewing the previous 6 months that's just gone by, I feel like I did achieve a few of my goals. Gym 5 times a week, I did stick to this religiously, so I'm going to tick that off. Read 20 pages a day, I did not really do this, so I'm going to carry this forward and make sure I stick to it. Eat healthy, done that and I'm so happy about this. 10k steps per day, again did not really calculate, so this really does not count. Less processed food and juices, done that. Consistent with reels, not really happy about this. Like, I started off strong but then just went into a slump, so I'm going to focus on this a lot more. So these were a few of my goals. I feel like I do need to work on some and make it more achievable. I'm going to focus on what I really need to get done, things I've been putting off, things I need to focus on, and my new goals for the rest of the year. I'm also going to carry forward all of my previous goals that weren't achieved and set realistic habits that would make me achieve those goals. I was scrolling on Pinterest and found a great way to set goals. It's the SMART way. This method just helps you set boundaries that in turn makes your goals achievable. For example, I will read 20 pages of book 4 times per week. It could literally be anything you want. Listing down your goals or habits and how you want to achieve them plays such a huge part at setting boundaries. I'm doing a little bit of a face mask session and probably wind down for the night. I'm going to keep this on for around 10 minutes and then wash it off. In the meanwhile, we're going to go in and meditate. I feel like when you pair up masking and meditation, it's just a wonderful form of self-care, and I absolutely love that. Practicing meditation is such a powerful practice that helps calm the mind, reduces stress, and just makes you feel so relaxed. It has been raining the whole day in Mumbai, so my skin has gotten a little bit dry, so I'm going to go in with the Laneige Dream Skin Refiner Mist. This instantly gets back hydration and I love it so much. For my serum, I'm going in with the Ordinary Soothing Barrier Support Serum. I'm going in with Gabby's Ceramide and Hyaluronic Moisturizer. This one has niacinamide and oats, so I quite enjoy this one. It also provides me the right amount of hydration, so I quite enjoy this, especially on a super rainy day such as today. My skin feels so nourished and super moisturized, so I'm pretty happy with that. I'm going to wrap up with some journaling. I feel journaling in general is such a powerful way to understand our thoughts, track our progress over time, and be so thankful for everything we have. And that's pretty much it for my mid-year reset routine. I hope you enjoyed, found it helpful. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you next week.